Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're going to be making a delicious and traditional dish from Andhra Pradesh, Brinjal Moju. This eggplant dish is packed with flavor and is the perfect side dish to accompany any meal. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 pound small eggplants, cut into small cubes. 2 tablespoons oil. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon chana dal. 1 teaspoon urad dal. 4 to 5 dried red chili. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons sesame powder. 1 teaspoon tamarind paste. Salt to taste. Instructions: heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chana dal, and urad dal. Cook until the seeds start to splutter. Add the dried red chilies and ginger garlic paste, and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the eggplant and mix well. Add the turmeric powder, sesame powder, tamarind paste, and salt. Stir well. Cover the pan and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the eggplant is soft and cooked through. Once the eggplant is cooked, turn off the heat and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. There you have it, a delicious and traditional Brinjal Moju dish from Andhra Pradesh. Serve it as a side dish with rice, roti, or dosa for a complete meal. Try it out and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recipe videos.